Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for simplifying your tech troubles. Today, I am going to show you 5 powerful hidden features for Samsung Galaxy phones. Tips and tricks on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone to unlock its full potential. Here's what we are diving into today. Number 1. Enable intelligent Wi-Fi labs. Improve your Wi-Fi performance and check connection health. 2. Unit converter in calculator. Convert units and even calculate tips with ease. 3. Mute calls or alarms with gestures. Silence incoming calls or alarms without touching your phone. 4. Auto optimization and auto restart. Keep your phone running smoothly with minimal effort. 5. Check battery status and other diagnostics. Keep an eye on your phone's battery and overall health. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Enable intelligent Wi-Fi labs. First up, we've got a hidden Wi-Fi menu that lets you check the health of your connection and even improve your home Wi-Fi setup. This feature is perfect for anyone who has ever struggled with Wi-Fi speed or connectivity. Steps: go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Intelligent Wi-Fi. Scroll to the bottom and tap the version number repeatedly until you see a message that says Labs has been enabled. Go back to Wi-Fi settings and tap the 3 dots again. Select Intelligent Wi-Fi and you will now see the Connectivity Labs option. Explore features like Wi-Fi reports and home Wi-Fi inspection. That is your first power tip. Whether you are optimizing your current connection or checking your Wi-Fi health at home, this menu has got your back. Number 2. Unit converter in calculator. Did you know your Samsung Calculator app has a powerful hidden feature for unit conversion? You can easily convert lengths, temperatures, and even calculate tips. Let's dive into it. Steps: open the Calculator app. Tap the ruler icon in the top right corner. Select the type of unit you want to convert. Example: length, temperature, volume. Use the unit converter to change between units. For tipping, tap the tipping calculator button. Input the total bill and the number of people, and the app will calculate the tip per person. That is your one-stop tool for unit conversions and even splitting the bill. Super useful and easy to access. Number 3. Mute calls or alarms with gestures. Next up, we've got a really neat feature that helps you silence calls or alarms without touching your screen. Just a simple gesture is all it takes. Steps: go to Settings, Advanced Features. Tap on Motions and Gestures. Enable Mute with Gestures. To mute an incoming call or alarm, Option 1. Place your hand over the phone. Option 2. Flip the phone face down to mute. Whether you are at work or just trying to get some sleep, these gestures let you mute without any hassle. Number 4. Auto Optimization and Auto Restart. Want your phone to always run at its best? Let's set up auto optimization and auto restart, so your phone stays smooth and fresh with minimal effort on your part. Steps: go to Settings, Device Care. Tap Auto Optimization to check if the phone has recently cleaned up memory. To set up auto restart, tap on Auto Restart. Enable Restart on Schedule. Choose the days, example, Monday and Friday, and time, preferably you are asleep, for the phone to restart automatically. With this feature, your phone will stay optimized and ready for action at all times, without you having to do anything. Number 5. Check battery status and other diagnostics. Finally, let's check your phone's health, specifically the battery. If you're worried about battery life or other components, this tool will give you the inside scoop. Steps: open the Samsung Members app. Go to Support and tap Phone Diagnostics. Tap on Battery to check the current battery health and other useful info. Keep your phone running optimally by monitoring its health regularly. And there you have it, 5 hidden features you should enable on your Samsung Galaxy. Whether you are optimizing your Wi-Fi, pulling photos from your videos, or just making your phone work smoother, there is something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be there faster than a Wi-Fi signal to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. and we will see you in the next one, hopefully with fewer tech headaches. Bye for now.